MSP. With MSP. Mail time. Haley. Oh. Where am I? This doesn't look like MSP. It's a really cool room though. Let's go. Oh, I guess since that was my room. Oh my god! This isn't Mr. Planet. Before I go into a game, hey guys, it's my KF Games, and today, since mail time was very short, I am playing a Royal High. And so this is going to be my character Ashley. I hope you guys like the intro. So yeah, let's go. Oh, I like getting money. Oh my god, I'm in level 18. I knew that. Okay, so what we're gonna do is put my makeup on, then Ashley. 1 second. Sorry guys, I'm back. I just had to go somewhere for a second, like my parents called me. I better get my books. I'm almost to level 19, so that's cool. Oh my god, you guys just saw my passcode. You guys can break into my locker. Oh my god. I honestly don't care. I should just change it. So, I'm the highest rank. Oh guys, I got an F. I gotta go check my post. I'll wait for chemistry to start. Journal. It's kind of, I was talking about how to say her annual school is rough. Wow. When I thought she could help me so much. That's what my character looks like if I got heels and skirts. Oh, I'm really young. But, yeah. And so I'm waiting for chemistry to start. Oh, it's starting in like a second. Okay. Just sit here. Oh god, this is going to be hard. It's one of my least favorites. Oh god, I can't see any. Green. Green. Yellow. Blue. Purple. Yellow. Red. I made it. Whew. Why do they have to be so spaced out? Oh god, oh god, I'm gonna fail this time. Orange, purple, 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 red, red, yellow, orange, red, orange, blue. I think I failed that. Oh, I made it. So, orange, yellow, blue, yellow, red, yellow, blue, red, purple, orange, red, orange. Oh my god, only 4 people are left. Blue, orange, blue, blue, red, red. Purple, green. 3 left. Oh, I still got an A. Can't fly. Oh my god. Okay, I'm out. I'm safe. Oh, guys, I'm almost to level 19, and then after 19, I'm gonna be level 20. Guys, can I show you the wings I want to get? I'm gonna get, since I really like how those eyes look at me, I'm gonna get these or these. But I could almost get those, so I don't really know what I want. Ooh, there's a guy here. Merida. Oh god, please don't tell me he's trying to be like the Disney princess. So his P is next. I'm pausing the video. Oh, someone. Wait, I'm looking at P. I'm pausing the video. And then I will, because I always skip PE. So, this one's kind of easier, like this close. Oh, guys, you didn't see that. I didn't even get to see it. It started me off really fast. It's a really fast one. And there's she's a hacker. Oh, I'm gonna get a B. Oh, B+, it's not bad. Guys, in this video, I'm gonna send a level 19. I'm so excited. Don't judge me. Don't look up my skirt. I know there's some guys subscribers. Don't look up my skirt. What is next? Music. I can show you guys how bad I am. What? Oh. Coco. Oh. Rapunzel. Is that the girl from frickin' who said she cut her hair? God. Like, Rapunzel, you can't cut your hair. But first, Rapunzel's hair is blonde. Okay, sheet music. Oh. Blushes. Oh my god. Oof. Blushes. Oof. No. I don't care my hair. Oh, she's the one who cut my her hair, right? Wait, what? Oh, she got her in a girl hair, a guy hairstyle. I'll tell her I like her hair. I'll tell her I like her hair. My God. Made her feel better. Oh, she's done. I just hope it made her feel better. Because she's all in chat, she's like, her friend's like, cries, you cut your hair. That's awesome. She looks like she's someone I should be talking to. Give her a little time. Bye. Oh God, I'm gonna have to skip. I should just do. Not them. I'll pass the girl to her hair. Yeah. Yes. Oh, thank you. I'm gonna skip this class, I'll see you in a little bit. I have to end the video here, but one thing is, if I keep looking at my skirt, he better not be looking up my skirt, so I'm gonna claim a join. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching, hopefully both videos, and yeah, bye! Like, comment, and subscribe.